All right, today, everyone, I'll be showing you how to quickly take down, field strip, or disassemble your Sig Sauer P365. First thing you want to do is grab your firearm, do a safety check. All right, for Sig, you do not have to press the trigger. Go ahead and lock your slide back. This lever, you want to pull down from this end. Gently release your slide. Now you can go ahead and take your slide off and do whatever you need to do. As you can see, we already got this one oiled, cleaned up and oiled. And then you just want to reverse the process once you get finished. Okay. Make sure you lock it back. Flip your lever. Good to go. All right, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Continue to like, comment, and share. See you on the next one.